The winter solstice is a sacred threshold, a moment of stillness between seasons, and a doorway into the emerging energy of 2026. As the light begins its return, we gather to release what no longer serves us, to seed our intentions, and harmonize our inner frequency with clarity, warmth, peace, hot chocolate, or tea. At True Nature, on the winter solstice, December 21st, from 4 to 6, we will be offering gentle stretching, breath work, connection with our inner self, vocal resonance, frequency elevation with Himalayan bowls, with gong bath, and an immersive harmonic sound journey. We hope you join us. We look forward to seeing you there.